disconnected.
Hey guys, welcome to Woodzman Adventures. I have another question today. And this question is, hopefully everybody don't have this thought. I don't. I thought I did one time when I got rid of my first CRF250L and got an Africa Twin, but now I don't. But the question is, have you considered getting rid of your CRF250L, or do you regret buying it? Do you ever, after you bought it, did you think, I wish I wouldn't have bought this? I could have found something better. I could have bought a 450L. I could have bought a KTM. I could have bought the Yamaha WR or the Kawasaki. I mean, they're all great bikes. Nothing wrong with any of them. So, do you regret buying your Honda CRF250L? It's a pretty good question. I have people ask me, do you miss your Africa Twin? And the question is, I can't say I don't miss the Africa Twin. Of course I do. It was a great bike. I mean, I miss things about it. But the worst thing was when I had the 250L, they came out with an Africa Twin. You know, I thought, wow, a dual sport, because it was rated, it was called a dual sport, actually. It was a CRF250L, which is a dual sport class. And I thought, my goodness, you know, a 1000cc dual sport, that thing has got to be a monster. And it was. It's a beast. But after I got it, and I mean, I loved it. The big trips was great. It was comfortable. The seat was super. I really liked it. I missed my CRF250L so much. It eat at me all the time after a while, wanting another CRF250L, and I finally made the decision to go back. And I've not regretted it since. There's been no regrets this time. I don't know that there was regrets last time on the 2014 CRF250L. I didn't regret anything. I just thought, you know, cool, 1000cc's got to be a lot better. And I'm afraid if I was to buy a 450L now, I would do the same thing. Not that I don't love power, I do. But I think if I bought a 450L after time goes on, I would regret and wish I would have, you know, kept the 250L. So if you have a 450L, comment below too that if you regret it or not, if you're really totally happy with the 450L and don't miss the 250L at all, you're just totally happy with the 450. Put that below what we got up here. It's a groundhog sucker at my house. I'd kill him. Trying to get rid of them things. They're tearing up everything. But anyway, guys, do you regret buying the CRF250L? Do you think it was a bad decision? Click the thumbs up, subscribe. Check out my Amazon store below for your CRF250L parts. Check out my Nelson Rig discount I got down there too if you buy any Nelson Rig gear. Thank y'all for watching. Right on.